Lesson 2 about learning help. Okay, let's read the sentence. Please give me some advice. Please give me some advice. Please, 请 give me 给我 give 名给 me is 我 some 一些 some 一些 advice 建议 建议 is a very difficult character in Chinese. So, please give me some advice. 请给我一些建议 advice 建议 some 一些 please 给 repeat after me 请给我一些建议 One more time 请给我一些建议 Please give me some advice. Next, I lost my passport. I lost my passport. I lost 遗失了 Lost means disappear 遗失了 My 我的 My 我的 Passport Passport 护照护照 Passport Passport 护照我遗失了我的护照 I lost my passport I lost my passport 我遗失了我的护照 Repeat after me 我遗失了我的护照 One more time 我遗失了我的护照 I lost my passport. Next, my wallet is gone. My wallet is gone. My 我的 wallet wallet 钱包钱包 is gone 掉了掉了 My wallet is gone 我的钱包掉了 My wallet is gone 我的钱包掉了 Repeat after me 我的钱包掉了 One more time 我的钱包掉了 My wallet is gone. Next, sorry, I'm afraid I'm lost. Sorry, I'm afraid I'm lost. Sorry means 对不起 Sorry, 对不起 I'm 我是我 afraid 怕 I'm 我 lost 迷路了 Sorry, I'm afraid I'm lost. 对不起，我怕我迷路了。对不起 ，Sorry， 我怕我迷路了。I'm afraid I'm lost. 我怕我迷路了。Repeat after me. 对不起，我怕我迷路了。One more time. 对不起，我怕我迷路了。Okay, next. Is there police station nearby? Is there police station nearby? Is there 有 police station police 警察 station 局 station nearby 附近。So in Chinese we will say nearby first. So is there a police station nearby? 附近有警察局吗？ Do you see this word? That's a question. Sometimes does not any meaning, just mean the question. So we will put the end of the Chinese 吗 That means the question sentence. One more time. 附近有警察局吗？ Is there a police station nearby? 附近有警察局吗？ Repeat after me. 附近有警察局吗？ One more time. 附近有警察局吗？ Is there a police station nearby? Is there a police station nearby? 附近有警察局吗？ That's today's lesson. See you next time. Bye.